lads. Well, been for a little walk. Here he is. Too much money in a sense. What do you say, Will? This is where you get a car from, Leeds Ferrari. No, Will, this is not where normal people get a car. See, even fucking Waze don't know where it is. What?
That one, yeah.
JT600. Okay, yeah, so you can probably guess what we're doing just from searching this. I need some fuel, hopefully we see one on the way. Was that 8 miles? 15 miles left in the tank. Easy, mate. So this is Will, and a lot of you might not know Will, because last time Will was on the channel, it was, what, about a year ago?
Time flies,
doesn't it, man? Like, I literally, I was looking at old, I was looking back at old YouTube videos today, which seemed like a month ago, and it was like 11 months ago, and I'm like, shit. So last time Will was on the channel was over a year ago, and Will works hard in life, let's say that. So Will is very fortunate enough to have some very extravagant cars which you would not see every day. So last time we seen Will, he let me go out in his Huracan Performante, which was a life-changing experience, so that was amazing.
yeah.
It's just so hard to just cruise, isn't it?
Yeah, that's why the fuel economy is so bad.
Oh
so it needs to be like...
And then you got rid of that, and then what did you get?
I got my 812 Superfast.
Yeah, a red Ferrari, yeah.
Yeah.
And you've not had that very long, have you?
Well, a couple of months now, yeah.
Right, and then why did you change from the Lambo? Well, anyway, so today he's getting a new one.
Yeah,
I've seen what you're getting.
Yeah.
And it's like the only Ferraris which, you know, like probably the most iconic. Well, not the most iconic.
No.
In terms of modern ones, though, like definitely.
It's like a future classic. I've had one before. Yeah, I've had both of the variants, the 458 and the 488. So.
This is the 458 you're getting.
Yeah. Yeah.
And why did you go with the Lambo? Did you just want to change?
It's just well, I got offered really good money on it against this other car. So.
Right.
And Ferrari as a brand have been a lot better to me, really. They're doing, I got a lot more opportunities of future, like cars that are a lot rare to get hold of. You have to be chosen to buy some of these cars, so if you get enough points and get enough, like, you know, structure and client base with them, you can get these rare cars, and that's when I get some money back, hopefully. That's the plan.
The best thing about Will is that, you know, you have this conception of people who own nice cars being dickheads. You're one of the nicest guys ever, aren't you? Very down to earth.
Well, I like to think so.
So obviously we're going to video going picking up this Ferrari 458. I'm dressed like an absolute bellend. I don't think that I'm going into a Ferrari dealership.
No, I don't care about that.
Do they not? Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, we're all right.
So
I'm just like bellend anyway.
Now, this is an experience which, you know, 99% of the population would never ever see or do. So I'm going to film it and see what goes on. Hopefully don't tell me off for filming. Do you reckon?
No, so that's sorted, it's fine.
They're fine?
Yeah.
Right, so I'm going to film what it's like to go into a dealership and pick up a Ferrari 458, which is going to be an experience. Yeah, definitely. And then if we got time, which I'm pretty sure we will have,
yeah, we're
going to do some sort of a brutally honest review on it, and I'm going to be brutal because
you've got to be brutal.
I'm going to try and be brutal.
Yeah, we want some bad points.
Yeah, we're going to bring back the Narlad points for the next review. Right. So you decided to tell me off camera that this is it's an addition. So you still got your 812?
Yeah, of course I've still got the 812. Yeah.
What the fuck? What do you need 2 Ferraris for?
Split the mileage then.
Oh, so this is going to be the run around, this is going to be the workhorse.
Well, this is part of the wife's birthday present, so I don't know how well this
what the fuck? You're pissing me off, Will.
Alright, you can borrow this one.
Yeah. He said it on camera now, Will. That's it, you're fucked. Yeah, I can see the videos. A week with a Ferrari 458. Yeah. Trying to take the dog it back. I actually wanted to get a cool little Instagram video with Milo next to the Ferrari with like a wrap.
We can have it sat on the seat. My Instagram's got my dogs in my car, so we've got to have yours in our.
Yeah, we do, got to. So obviously go and give Will a follow. Will's also got, for you guys who don't give a fuck about expensive cars, Will's got a EP3 track car, which, you know, doesn't sound amazing, but it's fucking amazing.
Cool car, yeah.
It's like got built-in jacks.
Full race car, yeah, racing.
Yeah.
Well, it used to be the VTEC Challenge. We're going to do time.
Is it supercharged or?
Yeah, supercharged.
Supercharged.
Yeah. I'm going to race in like VTEC. We raced in VTEC Challenge, so we're going to race in Time Attack next year.
Oh, you're going to do Time Attack?
Yeah, I think we're going to do in that.
Yeah, so go and give him a follow and you can see all these stupid things. If you ever want to feel shit about your life, go and follow Will's Instagram. Here we are. That's your app. I was wondering, I was like, look, it looks like yours, Will. That's your actual one?
Yeah, that is it.
Is that yours down there? The one being validated? Oh, will yours be inside and that now?
I really hope not, because it's not ready for that.
Oh.
That's the La Ferrari. That's it there.
That's it there it is.
Yeah, okay. I think. I don't know.
You must be.
We shall see.
We shall see.
Yeah.
He's a regular here, he's alright. There we go. Was this yours? I think this is Will's. So this is your life, is it, mate? Free coffees. Look at this thing. What the? Oh.
This is the boardroom.
So this is where you can choose all your leathers and stuff, is it?
Where you spec your car. You can build your car however you want. You can have any option you want on it, basically.
What the fuck?
I'll get them to put the. That's the computer, basically.
Oh, and you can choose all your options.
Choose everything you want, yeah. You can even have your car tailor-made. You can have your name put in what you want.
I mean, even I got a free latex, so you know. Doing bits.
Oh, right.
But look at this thing.
Beautiful, isn't it?
It even smells like, it doesn't even smell like a race car. Can I look at it just on this wing?
After that, after pista, you have to be, obviously you have to be invited to buy both of them.
You have to be invited to buy these?
Yeah, that's like, I think 799 worldwide. You have to be the very, very top level for that. But you can get one of them if you buy a few cars. It's quite cool. It's the same paint as the 812 that is. What I said was, my 812's coming back on the 1st of November for some work, so it's not right. So then when they pick that up, why don't they do my 812 back? Cool. Yeah. 1 sec. Signing my life away.
Thank you, Will.
V8 is always going to suit it. Do you reckon? Yeah, you can't. It's not even because I'm after something a little bit different. Yeah.
Look at that.
Lee's specking this car.
I'm specking this one, I'll do this one.
Right. This is how Lee's going to have
do it half and half, camo.
You say triple yellow for the exterior?
Yes, let's have a look at a yellow, I think. It's quite goldy that, isn't it?
It's the same yellow but from the showroom. See this big F-colour?
Yeah, white's one of the cleanest colours. It's loud, but it's subtle.
And also, we can look, see the carbon.
Yeah, yeah.
There's loads of carbon so you can put on it.
Yeah, it's got to be white, mate.
Do like that.
Oh, better than the blue.
Can we do the interior? Put some yellow stripes in the interior.
Alright, here we go. Hey, there we go. What a lucky bastard, isn't it?
I'm both put down for you. Yeah.
Let's get inside. Oh, feel that luxury, mate. Oh man.
It's in there.
There's your pen. You've been happy, you've been waiting for that pen, haven't you?
Yeah.
It's one thing he's not sure about.
Thank you so much. Very welcome.
Look at the size of the brake pads.
I drove the 812 out, didn't I? So you've got to keep it. Yeah, absolutely.
Pinchy bum time with that wall. Pinchy bum time. Man, look at that fucking car. Look who's sideways. Will's a bad bastard, ain't he? Right, so we brought the Ferrari into a nice little spot. We're gonna end a little pickup video. And we're gonna go on to do a brutally honest review. Milo is also going to be the co-star for this evening. Now I've been speaking to Will. Oh, actually no, I'm going to lead up to the review. So thank you for bringing me along, Will.
It's alright, thanks.
How was the little 2-minute drive here?
Alright, yeah.
Very sideways by the looks of it.
Might have been. It's a bit damp now.
It's a bit damp, yeah, it's a bit damp.
Yeah.
Right,
Yeah.
we're going to end this video here. We're going to talk about all the specs and stuff on the car in the review, so if you want to know all about that, and I'm going to drive it as well, so if you want to see all that, go and watch the next video. It's going to be the brutally honest review on this Ferrari 458. So thanks for watching, and make sure you give Will a follow.
So I just